Mr. Ibu's second wife, Stella, accuses him of physical assault and infidelity.
Stella now, you make me here and ma.
I get deep.
You make me here and ma.
I get deep.
You make me here and ma. You make me this and lady. And then what? Talk to me now. Talk to me right now. Now. Talk to me now. Talk to me now. Choma.
Who is Choma now?
Here they make one who is Choma. Here they making. You know who is Choma. Me you make it bad. Me you make it here now. You have it. You got out. No problem. Talk to me now. Talk to me. Talk to me now. Talk to me. Talk to me now.
Me and my children, they are the suffer. Me and my children, they are the suffer. This man gets to kill me. This man gets to kill me. Every time that time is okay, he don't know what I'm suffering. He don't know I'm suffering. The man came prepared to come and beat me, to come and kill me. I ran away from him. He came from his girlfriend's house to come and beat me. To come and kill me, he removed his wristwatch. To come and beat me, now run, I push him out and run away. Look at where I am. Everywhere I don't crack. Everywhere water. Inside house water. Everywhere. Look at the car I'm driving. Everything, nothing. My children know they eat. Everywhere scatter. No school fees. And you're telling me to do what? Oh God. Oh, not today. Their cup don't full.